Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can react to your friend's activity on Discord. So it's simple to do. If you see like your friend's activity on the right side of like the friends list here, for instance, my friend just recently played Firewatch, you can react and you can even message the person about the game maybe. I'm just going to ask her how the game was. And you can like even react to the game here, and you're just going to press enter. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!